Subscribe to my channel It's Dipankar to watch movie reviews and more. And press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है ये तो हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर जीना कैसे है ये तो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। ये दिल को झंझोर देने वाली लाइंस ग्रीन के नॉवेल से है, which means we don't get to decide when to be born and when to die, but we can definitely decide how to live our lives. आज मैं एक ऐसी कहानी के बारे में बात करूंगा जो हमें सिखाती है कि जिंदगी में चाहे कितनी भी तकलीफें क्यों ना हो, जिंदगी हमेशा मुस्कुरा के जीना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम आज है तो कल नहीं। So hello everyone, what is up? I hope every one of you is doing good. और अगर आप good नहीं भी हो तो don't worry, be happy. Everything will be all right very soon, and I mean it. तो start करने से पहले मैं आप सबसे apologize करना चाहता हूँ for this late upload, क्योंकि मुझे टाइम उतना मिल नहीं पाता और जैसे ही थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल जाता है तो मैं आप सबके लिए वीडियो बना लेता हूँ। मैं आज जिस फिल्म के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ वो एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिसका नाम सुनते ही हम सब काफी जज्बाती हो जाते हैं, या फिर ये कहूँ कि इस फिल्म का नाम सुनते ही हमें एक ऐसे इंसान की याद आ जाती है जो एक दिन हमें अचानक छोड़कर चला गया और जाते जाते दे गया तो बस हमें ये एक फिल्म जो हम सबके दिल के करीब है और हमेशा रहेगा। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आखिरी फिल्म दिल बेचारा के बारे में। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Dil Bechara is a 2020 Indian Hindi language romantic drama film which is also the directorial debut of Mukesh Chhabra. The film is produced by Foxstar Studios, which stars Sushant Singh Rajput and Sanjana Sanghi in the leads. Saif Ali Khan makes a cameo appearance in the film, and the music of this film is composed by A.R. Rahman. The film is based on John Green's novel The Fault in Our Stars, which was also turned into a Hollywood film of the same name in 2014. So the story goes like this.
Those who have read the book or seen the movie The Fault in Our Stars know exactly what happens in Dil Bechara. Plot-wise, there are no surprises in Dil Bechara. The story revolves around two characters, Kizzy Basu, played by Sanjana Sanghi, and Emmanuel Rajkumar Jr. or Manny, played by Sushant Singh Rajput. Both suffers from cancer. Kizzy suffers from thyroid cancer, and Manny, who had earlier suffered from osteosarcoma, that is bone cancer, is currently in remission. मतलब कि a temporary curtailment of the disease. Both have experienced the disease for long years, and both know just how fragile their lives are. Manny and his friend JP, who is suffering from glaucoma, are making a movie together, which is inspired by Rajnikant's films. Manny invites Kizzy to be the female lead. The two bond over Manny's love for Rajnikant's movies and Kizzy's love for music, specifically an incomplete song of a popular singer named Abhimanyu Veer, which is played by Saif Ali Khan. Kizzy and Manny gradually falls in love as they shoot scenes for JP's film. After an operation, JP loses sight in his second eye, making him go blind. Kizzy wishes to meet Veer to ask him the reason behind leaving the song incomplete. One day, Manny informs Kizzy that he has managed to track down Abhimanyu Veer and get in touch with him. Kizzy emails Veer, who replies that she can visit him in Paris to get the answers to her questions. Kizzy and Manny convince Kizzy's parents, played by Swastika Mukherjee and Saswata Chatterjee, to allow them to take the trip, with the condition that Kizzy's mother would join them. As they were making arrangements for the trip, Kizzy's condition gets worse and she is hospitalized. After her recovery, she is weakened and initially distances her from Manny, but later she relents. They finally go to Paris to visit Veer, who turns out to have no conclusive answers, disappointing Kizzy. Seeing Kizzy sad, Manny promises her to complete the incomplete song. Soon after that, Manny informs Kizzy that his cancer has returned and is now terminal.
अब इसके बाद क्या होता है ये तो आप सबको पता ही होगा, आई नो, बट फिर भी मैं नहीं बताने वाला। इसके लिए आपको मूवी देखनी पड़ेगी। दिल बेचारा is a beautiful film. It will take you to a very emotional journey, a journey of laughter, tears, smiles, love, and life. The screenplay, direction, and the music of this movie are brilliantly done, and all the actors in the movie justifies their character. Overall, the film lives up to our expectations. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ इस फिल्म के बारे में कुछ ऐसी बातें जो शायद आपको नहीं पता। और स्टार्ट करने से पहले लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट आवर वेबसाइट dgstudios.in, where we provide services like 2D and 3D animation, graphic designing, branding, content writing, video editing, book publishing, and lots more. So go and check it out and feel free to contact us if you need any of these services. So chaliye, let's start. In this film, Sushant is seen wearing a NASA t-shirt. He also jokes about him being an astronaut. It was his dream to send 100 kids to NASA for workshops soon, about which he also posted in Twitter. Mukesh Chhabra and Sushant Singh Rajput were very close to each other. Long before Mukesh Chhabra became a director, Sushant Singh Rajput had promised Mukesh Chhabra to be a part of the film that Mukesh Chhabra decides to make his directorial debut with. दिल बेचारा के टाइटल ट्रैक के लिए सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने जो डांस किया है वो सुशांत ने एक ही टेक में कंप्लीट कर दिया और उस डांस को कोरियोग्राफ करने के लिए फराह खान ने कोई चार्जेस नहीं लिए। In the end, I would just like to say one thing about the movie. This film is a catharsis. You will see Sushant all alive again. He is there, but he is not here. But what he has left for us is a legacy to cherish in the upcoming time, and he smiling at us from one of his favorite constellations. So go watch this movie and do let me know how do you like it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, keep loving, keep supporting, share this video if you like it, if you think this is worth sharing. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, follow me on my Instagram handle.